first we have warm-up. Starting with the workout, we have 3 warm-ups of 30 seconds each with 3 rounds. So moving towards the warm-up, the first warm-up is alternate touches. For this, widen your stance, stand in stance with maximum than your shoulder level. From here, just push your hip back, slide bend your knees and touch your toes alternately, moving your hand up and keep moving this way for next 30 seconds. Don't stop, keep moving, keep touching your toes every time. Looking towards the palm. Last 10 seconds. Last 3, 2 and relax. Okay, the next warm up we have quad stretch. For this, just hold your toe one by one and stretch your quads. Feel the stretch over the upper thighs, the front portion quadriceps of your thighs, and keep holding faster, stretching it for next 30 seconds. Try to push your hip back, your knee back and then stretch. Keep moving for next 30 seconds. Mobilize your quads, engaging your glutes. Ten more seconds, come on. Last 3, 2 and relax. Next movement we have side to side hops. For this, just join your both feet, place your hands on your waist. From here, jump side to side for next 30 seconds, raising your heart rate up and warming up your whole body. Keep moving for next 30 seconds, come on. Don't forget to breathe, come on, keep breathing. Last 15 seconds. Just 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. ये थे 3 warm-ups. इनको 30 seconds का 3 round करेंगे. Now again starting with the workout. Simply workout start कर रहे हैं क्योंकि warm-up पे हमने stretch कर लिया सारा. So the first workout we have first move prone swimmers. That prone means the front body part, and swimmers will go with our hands moving like a swimmer from up and down, covering your whole scapula, your lats muscle, each of the muscle. So for this, your feet should be under your hips. From here, slide bend your knees, push your hip back and make your chest parallel to the floor. Making chest parallel to the floor, take your hands overhead. From here, just go like a swimmer. Make a full rotation of your shoulders. Again down and up, down and up, down and up, and keep moving for this way for next 10 counts. Now look the position sideways, making chest parallel to the floor and moving this way, making a full rotation with your shoulders. Repeat this for next 15 counts. Last 3, 2 and relax. You will feel the stretch over your shoulders and your lats muscle. Next move we have up and down, raising up your cardio level, working on your each muscle of the body. Guys, it's a full body movement, working from your core and from head to toe each muscle. So in this, for this movement, just take your feet under your shoulders, get down on the floor, placing your palms just near your feet. From here, take your feet all the way back in a high plank, again forward and stand up. Again down, forward and up. Down, forward and up. Cool, we'll be going for this reps for next 15 reps. Starting in 3, 2, 1 and go. Try to go in high plank every time and extend your body fully. This is a 1 rep. Very good. Place your feet under your hips every time. So guys, starting with the third move, again we are going to work on the lower body. Make sure your chest is upright throughout the movement. Next Next one, we have forward lunges. From the word forward, that means we are taking our legs all the way forward and go. All the way forward and then go. Now explaining with the movement, we have forward lunges. Place your hands on your waist, your feet under your hips. From here, a big step with your right foot. Press it down, descend it down, brush your knee with your floor. Again up and back. Again forward, down, up and back. Forward, down, up and back. Working on your quads, your inner thighs, your full lower body, chest all the way up and back. Forward and back. Forward and back. Keep moving for next 20 counts. 10 each side, guys. You have to go for 10 each side with these forward lunges. And make sure your knees are not crossing your toes. Knees should be in line with your ankle. Come on, keep moving. Keep breathing out. Last 3, 2, and relax. Okay guys, the next moment we have prone rows, working on your core, your six packs and your lower back, your scapular movement. Clear for this? You're done on the floor. A high plank position, your palms under your shoulder, hip to knee in one straight line. From there, balancing you with your body, press your one hand up in your obliques, again down. Other hand up and down, up and down. You have to squeeze your back muscle every time and then go down. If you're finding it difficult to balance, then widen your stance and then go. Engaging your core, keep breathing out. And we'll go for 20 counts, 10 each side, guys. Keep moving.